I'm Alexis Ringwald, a co-founder and director of business development at Valence Energy. We're a young team that came out of Santa Clara University. We provide energy management software and the cloud services application layer on top of the Cisco Network Building Mediator. We provide real-time energy monitoring, analytics, and control for a facilities team across an enterprise so they can tie into their building management system using the Cisco Network Building Mediator. This allows us to communicate with various building management systems, brings everything onto IP, open standards on the same network. We can communicate with IT equipment, lighting, HVAC, and provide real-time analytics for the facilities team to find out where the actual savings are in their building. As an example, we've deployed on Cisco, a showcase project in Bangalore, B14, which is one of the greenest buildings in the world. It's also Cisco's smartest connected building. They've deployed 29 Cisco mediators, hundreds of submeters, and our software is now communicating in real time, collecting data, analyzing that data to find the savings, and providing actionable recommendations to the facilities team on the lighting, the chiller, the air handler unit, and the economizer to find hundreds of thousands of dollars of savings per year to make sure this building is green and completely sustainable. Now we'll have Augustine walk us through the demo of the Cisco Bangalore building to show you what's really happening.
Thank you, Alexis. Hi, I'm Agustin Fonts, founding engineer and project manager at Valence Energy. What I'm about to show you is our software deployment at Cisco Bangalore. So by being a part of the Cisco ecosystem partners, we were able to bring in together the IT team and the facilities team, and using the Cisco Mediator Manager, we're able to bring in thousands of information points from one building as well as multiple buildings across different campuses. So a facilities manager or a CFO can use the Green Manager dashboard to track things like their monthly energy consumption. They can track their carbon emissions. They can also see some of their energy budgets and track them against a forecast, so they can always be sure to be within an energy budget. They can also see breakdowns of the different loads in the building, which will let them see which ones are the biggest contributors to their energy load. So for instance, a facilities manager may realize that the air conditioning consumption for the office space is the biggest contributor to their load. By knowing this information, they can actually go ahead into our trending tool and in real time do a quick analysis of what may be causing that inefficiency. So through this tool, they can access any asset within their system. And for instance, if they want to see what the loads from the HVAC for the labs were, they can actually pull that information through our tool, pull up any variable available in the system, and diagnose it in real time. However, many facilities managers don't actually have the time to perform those checks and go into the system in such depth. So what we have is a set of analytics tools which will present the customer with any kind of issues that their system is facing. So for instance, here we're deployed in Santa Clara University, an institution from California which has a large amount of chiller plants which deliver cooling to the building. In this particular case, this chiller is not being very efficient, as we can see here in our tool, and we're actually showing that the compressor staging is not working properly. So the user can go through our tool and figure out that their chiller plant is actually not performing at the right efficiency. So we can see here in the light blue that the plant is actually performing at a lower than normal efficiency. And if they actually follow this model here in black in a staged fashion, they would be much more efficient. Our tool can also use these analytics and smart decisions about the building to control it and to automatically change the building by actually changing, say, set points due to high demand or shut down lights if needed. So basically, by leveraging the Cisco Open Platform, we can provide monitoring and dashboards to track the status of the building. We can provide analytics to tell you whether the building is operating properly and what you should do to fix it. And finally, we can also provide automated control to optimize the efficiency of the building.